Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing, also Bandanas Online here in New Jersey. And today I'm going to talk to you about personalized bandanas. We're taking some white bandanas and putting a custom logo personalization on there for one of our clients. It's in royal blue, and I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what's going on. Here we are at one of our bandana printing presses. You can see here's the blank bandana, white bandana, getting ready to go under this screen here with the royal blue bandana dye on it. We're going to flood that screen with the dye. The blank bandana is under there. It gets squeegeed on. You're going to watch that squeegee come back, and when that happens, we're going to deposit another hit of ink, and then they get taken off and placed on the belt like this. They're going to go through the belt at approximately 380 degrees, and we're going to come to the end where they're going to come out dry and ready to be folded and sent to the customer. So if you need personalized bandanas for your company, organization, school, group, or nonprofit, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing, also Bandanas Online, and we're happy to help you out.